Hello, Tia here, owner of Tia Maria Wigs, and welcome to the Wig Lounge channel at Tia Maria Wigs. This is our YouTube channel for all things boutique. What you're gonna find here is we have weekly live sales 2 times a week. This is a great time. It's so fun. You get amazing deals, but you also get to connect with other wig wearers. You also get to see the wig that you're actually buying, try it on. Would you like it compared to another color next to it? I turn around, I show you all of the things, because as you know, with the stock cards and the promo pictures of some of these wigs, they don't look as great as they really do in person, especially if it's an older wig or a wig that's been discontinued. You may have no idea what it looks like in person. So this is a great time to discover some gems here on the Wig Lounge at Tia Maria Wigs. Also, content from myself, our ambassadors, all kinds of interesting tutorials, information. If you just want to see what is a wig, what does it look like, all of the videos, I try to take indoor and outdoor photographs of everything, because as you know, depending on the lighting, your skin tone, all of those different things, colors can translate differently. Also, how your eye interprets color is really important. So you'll find all of that there as well. So you're gonna want to subscribe, okay? And click the notification bell so that you are notified when I go live. You're also notified when we have new content. It's really an informative place, especially for a new wig wearer, a wig lover, a connoisseur. I have a lot of customization services that I offer at the boutique, and I do film those so that you can either see what customizations I do and how it will be done, or you can go ahead and try to do it yourself. So it's a great channel. Don't forget to subscribe and to click the notifications. And that's what you're gonna find here. I hope that you find it valuable. I hope that you like. Please comment in the comments. We do reply back to comments. That is a really important thing. We make sure that we reply back to you if you're asking questions. And we are so happy that you're here. And I will see you in the next video or on the next live sale. Bye.